A story building has collapsed in Enutemeta, Lagos. Many people are said to have been trapped inside. However, an emergency team arrived at the scene within 15 minutes. The officials secured the area and started to rescue survivors immediately.
I was trying and someone just came out from behind and started shouting, "The building is collapsing." So I left what I was doing and I checked and I saw the building actually falling off from the side. So I told everyone in the kitchen to come out. So we were still working. That was within just like 50 seconds. I just heard a sound from the other side there. When I checked, it was glasses and some properties of people staying upstairs falling off. Before I could scream, at first I screamed, people came downstairs. The second time, before I could even scream and say what was happening, the whole building just collapsed.
When I heard that something do bow, and I run downstairs. When I run downstairs, finish, the thing I do bow, and I run.
We received distress alert from the National Emergency Line that there was building collapse at this place. We were going for something else before, we had to turn back. So the advance team got there. Though the first information we had when the advance team got there was that 2 people were rescued alive. But subsequently, upon further consultation on arriving here, information was released that only 1 person was rescued alive. And aside from that, when we did head count, called phone numbers of everybody, we confirmed that almost everybody were alive and outside the building.
According to the Director General of the Lagos State Emergency Management Agency, Dr. Damilola Oke Osani Tolu, the building was very old and had too many cracks on the wall, pillars and decking. He said the occupants were evacuated while the building was cordoned off. This is the 3rd building collapse in Lagos alone in recent times. On the 11th of July, for example, 3 persons died and 9 others were injured following a building collapse on Fremont Street in the Lagos Island area of Lagos State. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and comment on the video. And if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe at One on One TV. We release new videos every day.